Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Scentsy Whiff Box that I keep forgetting to pause, but I saw what comes in this box this month, so I kept it. Let's see. This is a February Whiff Box. It always comes with like a little piece of paper that has, oh, this is about taking a picture, I guess. Snap a picture of your new mini warmer. Yeah, so you get a free mini warmer. They haven't done that so far that I've ever seen, so I was excited for this box. I got a tie-dye one. These are my favorite, the little wall plug-ins. That way there's no cord. So there's the base and the bulb. And the top is beautiful blue color. It's really pretty. I don't know where I'm going to put this yet, but I love it. That's awesome. Then we also have a couple bars. This one is the scent of the month called Sunburst Bamboo. See what that smells like. Yeah, it does smell like bamboo. This is a good scent to it. Shoreline Drive. Yeah, that's nice. I thought it would smell more beachy, but it has a clean scent to it, I think. It smells good. Then we also have Cloudberry Dreams Washer Whiffs. I don't think I've ever had that scent. So we got two of those, same scent. And a Clementine Cupcake Scent Circle for my car. And they included, I think that's all in there, they included the spring and summer catalog, which is exciting. Oh gosh, they have princess ones. I saw that for Raylan. She loves Rapunzel, but I didn't get it for her. But they have some Disney items, superhero. They have a lot of cool stuff. They've really expanded since I used to sell it. But yeah, that's what I got in my box this month. We'll see if I get it next month. Who knows? I always forget to cancel. So if you're interested, subscribe below to see what I get. And if you want the Whiff Box yourself and you don't have a consultant, I will put the link to the girl that I use below. And if you want to, you can order from her. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.